Hello guys, today we are discussing about line chart with target areas. Here I have a data here is there. So supplier and price per unit, unit sold and total sales is there. So I am going to report view and draw a simple line chart. So I have clicked on that one. So we need to drag this line chart a bit and I am just dragging units sold to x-axis, y-axis, sorry, and month date hierarchy here it is there. So I am adding just month so that our line chart is created. Here the data contains only January, February, March. See here the unit sold is there. So we need further analysis to this visual. So here this visually add further analysis to this visual. So I am clicking on that visual. We have a below error bars is there. So we need to go to that error bars and there is options enabled is there. So we need to click on this enabled button on and here we need to add data here. So we need to create a new measure here. So I am creating new measure here for upper bound and lower bound. Means upper bound means how much number of units you have been sold, upper bound limit. So I am giving this a rename as upper bound and give it as 1,90,000. And here upper bound add data is there. So before that 1,90,000 and click on enter. See here upper bound is created. So we need to go to add data. Here upper bound is there. So we need to select this upper bound. See there are bound is created for this 1,90,000. So same for lower bound we need to create another measure. So I am going to new measure. This time I will create lower bound. See I rename it as lower bound. Lower bound and giving it as 1 lakh and enter. So I'm going to here there is a lower bound is there. So I clicked on that one and see here the bounds is created. Now upper and lower bounds it is created. I now go to this one bar, it is on. So I am now enabling error band. See here it is error band is there and also and I am giving error band and error labels off it is there. So I am giving error labels on. See this bar is created so that here our units are 0.19 million and 0.19 million here it is there. See in this where in this month how it is created. So this is how the our sales number of units sold in this month this bar is created where it is increased where it is decreased. So this is how we can create line chart with target areas. Thank you friends. Please subscribe channel.